traders, welcome back to this new video of pre-market analysis for 17th of November, and the day will be Thursday. As tomorrow is a weekly expiry, it will be very interesting to trade because all the OTMs will be zero and all the option sellers will be earning their thetas. So today's market was a sideways to volatile market over here in this range, and if it gave a proper closing inside this range 18,440 to 18,340. So tomorrow's market will be so interesting if it gives a breakout. If it opens flat, if Nifty 50 opens flat, and if it gives a closing above 18,460, if it gives a proper closing above this after around 12:30 or 1, then we can have around 150 to 200 points target by keeping 25 points stop loss here. So it should give a proper breakout above 18,460, else it should give a proper breakdown below 18,340. Let's assume if Nifty 50 opens flat and gives a proper breakout upside, we are going to target in upside for 150 to 200 points, and if it opens flat and gives a closing below 18,340 after 12 or 12:30, we are going to target for 100 to 150 points, and the momentum will be very fast below this by keeping 25 points as a stop loss. So this is how we are going to trade in Nifty 50 tomorrow. And let's assume if Nifty 50 opens a big gap down like 18,250 or 260, we are going to wait and watch, and we are going to wait for the market to close below this level 18,280. So once if it closes below 18,280, we are going to target till 18,200. Our first target will be 18,200 and our next target will be 18,100. So below this, below this we can start aggressive selling below 18,250. And let's assume if Nifty 50 opens a big gap up around 18,450, around 480 above this level, 18,480, around 18,500 in this level, we are going to wait and watch, and we are not going to trade in this level. So we will assume that if it opens gap up around 18,480 to 18,520, we are going to wait and watch, and we are going to trade according to the price action. Let's assume if Nifty 50 opens a big gap up around here, so if it stays sideways, again we are going to start looking for a bearish candle breakout. So we are not going to look for upside momentum, but we are going to look for bearish momentum in the downside momentum after giving a proper sideways till 12:30. So this is how we are going to trade in Nifty 50. Again, I'll repeat, if it opens flat and if it gives a closing above 18,460, we are going to trade in the upside momentum by keeping a 25 point stop loss, and our target will be 150 to 200. And below this, we are same thing, 20 to 25 stop loss, and our target will be 150 to 200. So this will be the very best trade for tomorrow. And now let's look for Nifty Bank. Okay, this is the chart for Nifty Bank. And in yesterday's pre-market analysis, we have already discussed that anything above 42,450, we can start buying, and our target will be 200 points. So this is how you capture in today's. Option buyers might not capture that moment, but option sellers will capture this moment for sure. So we have already achieved around 150 points in here. And let's analyze for tomorrow's market. So it has given a proper closing in a particular range. Okay, so for tomorrow, our analysis will be, if it opens flat inside this range 42,600 to 42,400, 200 points, the range is 200 points. So if it opens flat and stays sideways, we are going to trade in the breakout and breakdowns. Let's assume if it opens flat and stays sideways till 12 or 12:30, and if it gives a breakout after after 12:30 or 1 above 42,600, if it gives a proper closing above 42,600, we are going to trade in the upside momentum for 200 points target by keeping 50 points as a stop loss. And below this 42,400, below this we are going to target for the same, like 200 points and 50 points stop loss. So the best trade for tomorrow will be, it should open flat and it should open flat and give a closing above 42,600 or 42,400 below this after 12 or 12:30. So this is how we are going to trade in Nifty Bank. And let's assume if Nifty Bank opens a big gap of around 42,800 around this level, we are going to wait and watch, and if the market stays sideways after opening gap up, we are going to see for bearish side, not for bullish side. And let's assume if Nifty Bank opens a big gap down around 42,200, or 42,100 in this level, we are going to wait and watch, and until and unless if it gives a proper closing below 42,000, we are not going to trade. If it gives a proper closing below 42,000, we are going to sell aggressively, and our target will be 200 to 300 points by keeping 60 points as a stop loss. So this is how we are going to trade for tomorrow. And we have a Telegram group, and if anybody wants to join in that group, you can click on the link below the description box, and you can join. It's totally free, of course. And if you guys are interested in intraday trading tips, that is in paid groups, if you're interested, you can call me in the above slide number, or you can directly WhatsApp me or contact me for further details. So if this video was helpful to you, click on like, subscribe, and share the video, and click on the notification bell so that whenever new videos gets uploaded, you will never miss the video.